Hello and welcome to Honda Bolton. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of this Honda approved Civic VTEC Turbo Sport Edition that we do have in stock. Finished in an absolutely stunning Rallye Red. It is fitted with your 1 litre petrol engine, so it does make for the perfect city drive. For any further information, please give us a call at 01204 827 906. Starting at the front of the vehicle, it does come with your complementing LED daytime running lights, which are surrounded by your front parking sensors. You do also have your rain sensing wipers above, so it is perfect for those altering conditions, keeping you safe at all times. And these are sat on these lovely 16-inch alloy wheels, which really do look amazing against this model, along with your electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. So if we go ahead and take a closer look into the rear interior now. It is complemented by a full fabric interior, so it is extremely comfortable for all 3 passengers, with your ISOFIX points fitted on each of your rear seats. You do have plenty of leg space below, along with your behind seat storage pocket. As this is a 2019 reg, it has covered just over 8,400 miles, complemented on the rear by your rear spoiler, along with your rear parking sensors. And if we go ahead and take a closer look into the boot space, there is plenty of space for any personal or day-to-day items, along with your tie-down tether points in your 2 corners. So I'll now take a closer look at the exceptional features that the interior has to offer. So you do have your multifunctional steering wheel in the centre, along with your full fabric cloth, which does make it extremely comfortable when travelling with any passengers. You can also get into the required position using your manual levers situated on each of your passenger sides. Taking a look in the front now, on your driver's door you will find your controls to operate all 4 electronic windows, along with your central locking system and your outer wing mirror adjustments. You do also have additional storage just underneath to keep any personal items close by. On the multifunctional steering wheel, it does come with your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter on the right, keeping you safe at all times as it can anticipate traffic around you and adapt accordingly. And on the left hand side you do have your mounted audio controls with your option to answer an incoming phone calls. You do also have your option there to flip through your digital screen so you can display various car functions. And your mileage is displayed just at the bottom there as well. In the centre you do have your display screen with your surrounding audio controls, so you can flip through various radio stations, or if you wish you can connect a device using the USB ports below. And this will also allow you to make hands-free phone calls, making it safer to drive. Just below it does come with your climate control dials, with your options just below to turn your air conditioning on and off, along with your front and rear heated windscreens. So it is very handy, especially in the colder winter months. You do also have several USB charging ports just below, with a gap to thread any wires up, along with your automatic gear controls in the centre. It does also come with your electronic parking brake and the option to drive in Econ mode if you are feeling a little bit more efficient on those longer drives. In the centre you do have a handy cup holder, with 1 integrated and 1 is removable. You do have a central armrest which, when lifted, it does expose various storage just underneath. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information, please give us a call on 01204 827 906 and a member of our Honda team will be happy to help.